We just got done testing the new EFX Motovator RT premium race tire.
I've been lucky enough to be one of the first people to test this tire.
And I gotta say, I love it.
One of the most important technical partners that a race team can have is a tire partner. We're fortunate to partner up with EFX Tires this year. We've had great success out testing it.
It's super light, it's 36 pounds, one of the lightest UTV tires on the market.
But it still is built with 8 ply, which gives it that ability to go through this rocky Barstow terrain with ease, shorter tread block for less rolling resistance.
Most importantly, it's a premium race tire. It's what we plan to race on for the remainder of the season, and we can't wait to get out there and race it.
Overall, I'm super stoked on this new tire, and you need to go and get yourself a new set of EFX Motovator RTs.